Jerry, this relationship is killing me. The distance, the longing, the distance, I didn't realize about a needy person. Maybe this relationship isn't for you. Oh, yeah? So what am I supposed to do? Be more like you? All sealed up in here, emotionally unavailable, paying scrub women for sexual favors? No! Jerry, I won't be like you! Never! I'll never be like you!
Who's that?
I didn't hear anything.
All right, I'm taking off. Aren't you dating something?
Oh, right. Hey, it was great seeing you again. I love your outfit.
No, my money.
For what?
For my maid services you booked me for today.
You didn't really do any work.
I made the bed.
But you took a nap in it.
So?
I thought that was kind of girlfriend bed making.
No, that was the maid.
Who took the nap?
The girlfriend.
$40 seems kind of steep for a nap.
So what are you saying? That I'm a bad maid or some kind of prostitute?
Oh. Hold on. Let's keep this sophisticated.
You know, I don't think I want to be your girlfriend or your maid.
So is this a breakup pudding?
Yeah. None of her calling or hire me again.
Oh, yeah? Well, then we're through. And you fired. Sign here.
Yes. 212. Hey, what happened to the guy I had last time?
Well, you know, it's an odd thing. He went out on the job, never came back. Nobody knows what happened.
Right. Back in the game. Hello? Yeah. No, you got the wrong number, kid.
Your grandson Bobby. Why haven't you called? You hate me because of my lazy eye?
No, it's just that I've been kind of buried over here.
So the kid doesn't know his grandmother is dead? G5.
No, I guess his parents didn't want to tell him.